Hey guys, let me show you my tactics. So yeah, um, so yeah, these are my tactics. I'm gonna show you every single one. So this is my first one. This is a very old type of skateboard, kind of old. Plan B. I have another Plan B. So I have 3 Plan Bs. Sorry, it's blurry. This is my laptop. I gotta get a new one. This is a weird one. My favorite one is B. Here. Skull. Made one dog. This one. Graffiti. This one's cool. Football. These are all my tech decks. Tony Hawk ramp. This. You guys already know from my first video that I made a couple minutes ago. Yeah. And I don't know. I'm making another video on me and the tech decks. As you can see, this is the one I used in my first video. I'm gonna make a video of every single tech deck using. So oh no, I'll pick this crappy one. Okay. Yeah, I still have a big game good at this. But and this thing that I can't when I do something I always gotta put my hand down so I can't just like yeah. You can practice by doing ollies like okay, you can do an ollie like this. And this skateboard sucks. Like that. Or this skateboard sucks. I'm not gonna use this skateboard. Be using the one that I always practice with, my B one. Okay, because I'm used to it. Okay. You can do an ollie like this. Yeah. Look at this is how you do it. You kick. You can do it like this, okay? You do this, you put your finger up, the person, your giant's gonna be like that. So like that. Well, I don't do that, I just do that, like that. Just push down, like, push down with your fingers. See how easy that was? You can do this, but that's cheating, but that's how you do it. You just push your fingers down and, yeah, like that. Sometimes it's hard practice like this. So easy that was. Yeah. And I forgot what this was though, but it's like a ollie, but it's not though. You do this, like you do it like this. I've done it for a long time, so you do it like I'm gonna like try to cheat though, like that. I'm just cheating for you guys like that. Do it like this. So like yeah, like that. So yeah, like that. And you can practice doing ollies like this. I've been in a competition that I did that. I won 6th place for the 2008. I think. No, wait, no. In 2010, I think. I don't know. I have to remember myself. Yeah, guys. Keep on practicing like like that. So you just practice like this. Plain and simple. Practice like this. You get better, like. Yeah. And then you can just do this, like. Just like practice, like if you have like a ramp like this. Practice like this. You go up. Just like keep on practicing. You can't get it. Just keep on practicing. I'm just doing this on purpose. So that can't get it. Just keep on practicing. Like, and you're bound to get it. Like, you're bound to get it. Oh, and I play RuneScape. So the RuneScape name is Little Wayne is. So yeah, if you want to add me, so yeah, I do a lot of crap. Yeah. I did a trick before. I did a flip like that. Yeah. So yeah. Rate, subscribe, add me as a friend. Thank you. God bless.